What is up, everybody? Modern Pioneer again with an update on our raised garden beds. And this time I have an expert to help explain everything. But before we get her involved, I'm just going to give you a quick, just rough look around from everything from afar. Oh, that laughter looks so good. And just everything's going really good this season. The garden is just literally exploding. And then this is what I'm really excited about. Look how this trellis turned out. Look at this. Squash.
Spaghetti squash.
Spaghetti squash. Here it is.
Purple green beans.
Purple green beans and then yard long beans. So we did all this so you can literally walk through. How cool is this? Oh man, it's just massive. Look at that. Oh, we gotta pick these. Alright. It's just so cool. Yep. Walking through a forest here. I'm not going through there. But wow. It's pretty cool, babe.
They're doing great.
Yep. Why is that one hung up like that?
It just got caught up.
Oh. Okay. Let's put it down.
They start by these little teeny tiny flowers right here.
Okay. Cool. Wow, so we got a lot. So I'm trying to keep this video short, but do you just want to just show some of the things we've been growing?
Here's some peppermint right here, growing randomly. We've got some watermelon.
Ooh.
And some other melons here.
Mm-hmm.
We have about 4 zucchini plants here. The regular yellow squash did not come up this year.
Back in there.
We picked all 4 zucchinis just yesterday.
Okay.
We have a ton of pepper plants all through there.
Yeah. Right there.
In the back you can see all of our tomato plants. We did Roma tomatoes this year and cherry tomatoes.
Cool.
So we can make some more sauces to can.
Okay. How's this divider working as far as what is this, a spearmint?
Yep, we put a divider here in the spearmint, and as you can see, it's doing really good. We get a few that just sneak over, but we don't get any.
Okay. Cool.
Too many.
Cool.
Yep, and then over here's all the herbs. And we have some more peppermint here. We have a divider here as well, so the peppermint doesn't sneak across into my herb garden. Then I also snuck in some stevia right here with the peppermint, and that seems to be doing really well.
Yeah. Did we show the bullseye?
Bullseye.
I'll show the bullseye. Bullseye is really cool because it acts as a numbing agent. And it tastes terrible, but it actually does work.
Yep.
Pretty cool.
You just pop off one of the flowers and chew on this, and it will numb your gums.
Yeah.
And then you can eat the leaves and stems as well. I've not tried them. I'm sure they taste just like the flowers do.
That's a weed, right?
No, that's not a weed. That's St. John's wort.
Oh, glad I asked. I was about to pull it. Okay. What's that purple thing?
That is basil.
Basil, huh?
Yep.
Cool. Well, you want to walk over to the long bed and we can talk about the potato beds? You think we'll get any potatoes this year?
I hope so. And here's our potatoes. They're all starting to die back, which means they're about done growing. Here in a few weeks, we can start digging them up, or we can let them stay until first frost. But I think I will dig them up here in a few weeks to see if we have potatoes in the towers.
Mm-hmm. Maybe we could just do one of them and see how it is.
We could dig the first layer up and see what we get.
Yeah.
The bottom layers still are pretty green, so
Mm-hmm.
they must be still growing. But these top layers are starting to die back.
Okay.
So I'm hoping we get lots of potatoes in there.
Yeah. Did you say you planted more beans on the other side?
planted a second round of peas. We had one round here, and I pulled them out because they started dying because they don't like the heat. So I came over here and planted a new round. We have beans here, but we have some new peas that are starting to grow up. So hopefully the end of August we get some more peas.
When did you plant the peas?
About July 10th.
July 10th, and today's July 24th.
Yep, so they grow pretty fast. So I'm hoping to get at least 2 more rounds. So I'll do this round, and when these die back, I'll move it back over there and do another round in the fall. We have another large spaghetti squash up at the top.
Yeah. Cool. Okay. All right. And carrots. We struggle with the carrots this year.
The carrots were not happy this year. I ended up bulk ordering carrots online from an organic farmer.
So we can juice them and can them.
Yep.
How'd the onions turn out?
They turned out great. They're small. Onions are always a learning process. But we did get a lot of chives out of these onions. I wasn't going for the bulbs here. I just wanted the chives off the top of these. So these are second-year onions that didn't grow too big last year, so I replanted them to get chives. I've just been cutting them back, and those are about done as well.
Okay. All right. Well, July 24th. Garden's looking really good. I really just wanted to show off the trellis. I really like that. I think that turned out really well. So, all right, guys. Well, there's an update on the raised garden bed. Crop's looking really good. Typical garden. So, hope you guys are having success with your guys' garden beds, whether it be just typical garden or raised garden beds or whatever. Let us know what works for you guys. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and hope this video helps you in your endeavor to become a modern pioneer. Be safe.